right here. Let me tell him say hi to right here. Yeah, so this is my friend. So let me tell him wanna drive. How do I drive it? I am in this game. You just drive. I suck at this game. So then, bike. Oh yeah, I got it. Every car now costs money. What the? Why do they? At least I can respond this way. Oh, this is loud, guys. This is so loud. Bro, he like that do you even have? Oh my god. What is my cousin doing, by the way, guys? Guys, what is my cousin doing? Bro, stop dancing. Guys, as you can see, my little cousin joined me. I'm gonna come to him. Shut up, I'm making a video on it. So this is his avatar. Oh, where's my friend? Hey, yeah, right here. 2 no voice, 1 silver. Yeah. was called free, but it's I know. I know, bro. That's insane. By the way, yeah, I am with my little cousin. This is my car. I'm gonna. Oh, no, by the way, Kill hi. Hi. So yeah, the guy who just told hi, this is my cousin. Like randomly, my cousin came here randomly. I am making this video and I invited you here just to play, obviously. What did you take? Guys, isn't this guy dumb? Spam in the comment dumb cousin. No. By the way, guys, where's my phone? Yeah, right there. I'm gonna crash onto him. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's like, what just happened? Oh. Oh, go get it. I'm lagging so hard. Oh. Bro was running for his life. Hey, do you wanna say something? So I wanna end the video. This is my shortest video, I think so. So yeah, until like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, everyone. What will I tell? I just forgot what will I tell. Oh yeah, I just forgot again. Yeah, like and subscribe for a face reveal. Like and subscribe for a face reveal. Okay, that's still bye bye to the guys together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye bye.